Hello, I'm Mary August, and I will be starting my 29th year here at Milton-Union High School. I will be teaching world history, world cultures, schools PLP, and I also have 2 classes of study hall. You'll also see me in the cafeteria every day during the high school lunch. Things will be different this year, but I'm excited to get back into the classroom and to see my students. Some supplies that you might want for class would be a 3-ring binder, loose leaf paper, pens or pencils, whichever you would prefer. Also, please bring to class your school device fully charged. I can be reached at augustm@muschools.com. I can also be reached by calling 884-7940. For students, once we get our teams set up, you'll be able to chat with me in Teams as well. I look forward to seeing you starting September the 8th.